I do not want to fight with Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, you need to apologize, everyone, even Teacher Kel, even to Mina Suchoy. You know, it's really bad to say about rape. I don't like rape joke. I never say a rape joke to Wawel. Oh, because for me, Wawel is my schoolmate. Oh, because I thought Jerick Silva and we talk each other. What he said to me last week? Ano sabi sa akin ni Jerick? Oh, um, he said to me, autism ba si Wawel? I said to him, she has Down syndrome compared to Sir William Ducot. Oh, I have lots of friends who are Down syndrome. Oh, Down syndrome are special. Oh, you, Paulo Cruzada, you attacking Teacher May, you attacking Teacher Marisa. Eh, what is a real problem? You know, I'm suggesting to Paulo Cruzada over the what happened in last year and 2 years ago. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, about Teacher May, about Teacher Marisa, about Teacher Riza, about who else? About Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel, Teacher Joy. You don't even know her. What's the problem? Even Teacher Chris, even Teacher Mirna. What is your problem? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, at least I never chat Teacher Riza. Oh, yeah, at least Teacher Riza had chatted Joseph Maspinas. Yang si Paulo Cruzada, inaatake pala ako na habang nasa Amerika ako, like what she said to me, what she said to Joseph Maspinas. Oh, it's not me who said it, it's Teacher Riza. When she said before that Paulo Cruzada needs to learn a lesson for what he just did to me. You know, he's trying to harass me. Oh, have you ever known that Teacher Riza is really angry at you, Paulo Cruzada? Remember, like I said to you, Teacher Riza is not here in the Philippines. Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop harassing her. Even not even I am saying, oh, Teacher Kel, she was not here in the Philippines. She was there in United States alongside with Teacher Gio. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Do not harass everyone. Even that girlfriend of Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Isa Bancula, she is asking Joseph Maspinas, sino ba si Paulo Cruzada? Oh, Joseph Maspinas did not respond, but I'm the only respond that he is a former student of Teacher May. I told the Teacher Isa Bancula, the friend of Teacher Vincent Ramos, just block Paulo Cruzada. Don't talk to him instead. I say to her, just focus on your online selling. Even Teacher Vincent as well. Teacher Vincent asked me, sino ba si Paulo Cruzada or who's Paulo Cruzada? I did not respond. He messaged Joseph Maspinas. He messaged me or something. But we're not friends in Facebook. With me and Teacher Vincent. I told to Teacher Vincent Ramos, just block Paulo Cruzada. Don't entertain him. because I know he's a former student of Teacher May. He's attacking everybody or everyone. Just just block him. Ignore him. Oh, just block. Oh, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, people there, they don't deserve to like you. People there, they are angry at you. People there, they don't forgive you. They don't deserve to forgive you. You know, it's it's your fault. It's your consequence. You know, like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May doesn't forgive you. You threaten to harass her. You threaten to hostage her. Oh, you don't even know there is an Anti-Safe Space Act, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you don't even know there is an Anti-Safe Space Act that during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, and you're forcing Shania Kiana to remove the clothes, and even you're forcing Paula Colin Nunez to remove the clothes, and you edited their picture. Not even just that, you edited the picture of Teacher Lara that she's sitting in the toilet. Have a shame to yourself, Paulo Cruzada. You are full of pornography. You are full of foolishness. You alliance with Jim Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, to attack Joseph Maspinas. You know, Paulo Cruzada, like I said to you, you know, when Jeric Silva and his Pedmotics had said to you, sarap mo kasi balatan, likes the word, they will peel you out. They will peel you out. They will brutal to peeling you out. Like I said, me, for example, I contact the CDIFI Spedmotics group, even Jude Goles, and including Ron Eric Miranda or Stefan Pimentel, but Stefan is not really involved there. I contact Jude Goles and Ron Eric Miranda, one of the CDIFI Spedmotics, to 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 put a bodyguard, to put protection on Teacher May's house in Cainta, Rizal. Because we need the protection. We need the other gangs to protect her. Oh. And even my other gang, in Caloocan, we have RM, we have Onyok. Oh. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you do not threaten to hostage Teacher May. You know, it's really invading her privacy. You're invading her data privacy. You're invading her space. You should be ashamed of yourself. First of all, I contact with Jude Goles and Ron Eric Miranda and my other gang in Spedmotics of CDIFI, even my Spedmotics in of Caloocan, to protect the carousel production of Miss Earth, to protect Lorraine Shook from the harm of Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you don't even know when there is an Anti-Safe Space Act, you're trying to invade the privacy of Teacher May and Lorraine Shook. You threaten them to hostage them. You're threatening to hostage in your house in Cainta, Rizal. You're threatening the headquarters of the Miss Earth Carousel production. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Like, I just wanna mention, inaano ka ba ni Teacher May? at ni Lorraine Shook. Paulo Cruzada. I mean, for example, I don't want to make enemies with Teacher May because she's not in my enemy list. Oh, she is my former teacher. You know, you have to be ashamed of yourself. You need to learn your lesson, especially your family, your parents had said to you, oh, my Paulo Cruzada is a special child. Oh, that he really knows me in CDIFI, that his mother said. You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, I just want to suggest to your son. I just want to reprimand your son. I just want to remind your son is to stop invading the privacy of Teacher May and Lorraine Shook. And he has to stop harassing everyone, including Teacher Evelyn Caja. Even Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, stop invading their privacy. You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, now you see that Kiko Barsaga beaten Paulo Cruzada. Oh, ginulpi ni Kiko Barsaga si Paulo Cruzada. Oh, dahil sa mga kawalang yan. Oh, you know, for you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to lecture your son that he is ISIS wannabe and Marcos loyalist wannabe. Pagsabihan mo yung anak mo, like I said, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to learn, you need to reprimand your son. Otherwise, if he attack anybody, the people will angry at him. People will deserve to be angry at him. Is that what your son is, to attack anybody? To hostage anybody? To harass anybody? Oh, when I was told by Jerick Silva and his friends, he said that, nahuli no ba si Paulo Cruzada? Hindi pa, oh. Kasalanan mo yan, Paulo Cruzada. You will pay for your consequence.